Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About cosine x to the power of 3, we have cosine x squared and cosine x. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine x squared plus sine x squared equals to number 1. So we need to transform cosine x squared into cosine x squared equals to 1 minus sine x squared. So I will put this one go in here. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we got the u equals to cosine x dx. Next, about this one, we have u to the power of 6. About this one, we have u to the power of 2. This one, we change by du. So, u to the power of 6 multiplied by number 1 and u square in here. Next, we can use this integration. The integration of u to the power of n du. We have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. So this one, we have u to the power of number 6 plus 1 over number 6 plus 1. This one, we have u to the power of a plus 1 over a plus 1, and I will put about c. This one, we have number 7. This one, we have number 7. This one, we have number 9. This one, we have number 9. About u, that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.